Alright, another question was given to me, and it's concerning number 14 on 11.6. Find the surface area of the figure below. Here's the thing, guys. Think out of the box. What's happening? We are actually finding the surface area of two different figures. A rectangular prism and a pyramid. Okay? So here's the thing. Let's label the pyramid is 1 and my rectangular prism is 2. So we're going to find the surface area of 1. Okay? So surface area of a pyramid, I need it's 1/2 the lateral height, the slant height, the perimeter of the base, plus the base area. So, do we have the slant height? Yes. Can we figure out the perimeter? Of course we can. We know that this right here, we have the dimensions right here. So that's 13, 13, 13, 13. My perimeter ends up being 52. Now we have to solve the base area. Well, the base area of that pyramid, it is a square. 13 by 13. So big B is equal to 169. Surface area is 1/2 times 10.3 times 52 plus 169. This is equal to 436.8 millimeters squared. Now, we need to find surface area for the rectangular prism. Surface area formula for a rectangular prism, it's 2 times the length times the width plus 2 times the length times the height plus 2 times the height times the width. Length, well, I'm going to call, do I have all three dimensions for my rectangular prism? I have 1, 2, 3. I do. I'm going to call this guy length, I'm going to call this guy width, and I'm going to call this one height. So my length is 13, my width is 13, and my height is 5. Fill in. So, SA is equal to 2 times 13 times 13 plus 2 times 13 times the height, which is 5, plus 2, and then the width and the height, 13 times 5. This ends up being 598 millimeters squared. Okay, I have both surface areas see, here is the trick. They're attached to each other. Okay? So I have both surface areas, and if I add both of them, if I add $436.8 plus 598, I get $1,034.8. But let's zoom in, or I'm gonna zoom in. I can do that in mine. They're both attached at this base. Because it's surface area we're dealing with, we gotta get rid of the base of the pyramid. That's 1. And we gotta get rid of the base of the rectangular prism. That's 2. I gotta get rid of those 2 base areas. It's just a square, so I know I'm gonna have to take away 2 times 169. So my final answer ends up being $696.8 millimeters squared. Good question though.